Welcome everybody, my name is Ben with Master Spas and Chili Goats. We're starting a series of how-to videos so that you can make operation of your chili goat in your facility or home much easier. We're going to talk about placement. So ultimately, in a perfect world, if the world were perfect, which we all know it's not, we would have about 6 feet in between 3 and 3 now. These other two sides can go right back into the corner. There's no concern with that, okay? But we still see people all the time do it the other way around, face it into the corner, and you can't do that, okay? It's not gonna work. If you look at this tub over here, that's the side that can go right up against the wall. So if you had 3 feet in between, you'd be fine, okay? These are all things that need to be measured. You wanna give them as much room to breathe as they can because you're making the chiller work harder. The more heat is being introduced to the room. So in a perfect world, 6 feet. In reality, 3 feet, we're fine.